Number 6. Achieve a personal best. It means to perform the best you have ever done in a particular activity.
She achieved a personal best in today's marathon. She achieved a personal best in today's marathon. Every athlete hopes to achieve a personal best. Every athlete hopes to achieve a personal best. He achieved a personal best in the swimming competition. He achieved a personal best in the swimming competition.
Number 7. Achieve success. It means to accomplish a desired aim or result.
With hard work, one can achieve success in life. With hard work, one can achieve success in life. They achieved success with their innovative startup. They achieved success with their innovative startup. He's working hard to achieve success in his career. He's working hard to achieve success in his career.
Number 8. Achieve your aims. It means to reach the objectives you have set for yourself.
She's studying diligently to achieve her aims. She's studying diligently to achieve her aims. It takes determination to achieve your aims. It takes determination to achieve your aims. They focus their efforts to achieve their educational aims. They focus their efforts to achieve their educational aims.
Number 9. Achieve your ambition. It means to fulfill your aspirations or desires.
He achieved his ambition of becoming a pilot. He achieved his ambition of becoming a pilot. One day I will achieve my ambition of writing a book. One day I will achieve my ambition of writing a book. She never gave up trying to achieve her ambition. She never gave up trying to achieve her ambition.
Number 10. Achieve your goals. It means to succeed in reaching the targets you have set for yourself.
They set clear deadlines to achieve their goals. They set clear deadlines to achieve their goals. She finally achieved her goal of home ownership. She finally achieved her goal of home ownership. To achieve your goals, you must stay focused. To achieve your goals, you must stay focused.